Well, if you've visited a pediatrician lately, you've likely been met by very busy waiting rooms.
There's been a big rise in ear infections and strep throat. Gordon Severson explains why.
Right now, I have a kid with a double ear infection, and I've asked a few parents in my life, and it's mostly the same thing. Either they're currently dealing with one, or one of their kids recently had one. So I put the call out to a few doctors and healthcare systems to find out what they're seeing.
We have been seeing a lot more ear infections.
And strep throat. Actually, doctors at Hennepin Healthcare say they're pretty much seeing everything these days.
We're still seeing them. They're different now. The viruses are different. We were seeing a lot of rhinoentero and RSV and influenza before. Now we're seeing adenovirus and we're seeing parainfluenza virus. We're actually seeing still a fair amount of influenza B. We had a couple kids here this morning that had influenza.
Usually things are getting better at this point. Usually infections are going down. This is a bit of a surprise.
Dr. Chase Shutak at Children's says they're also seeing a lot of viral infections these days, which can often kickstart an ear infection.
Kind of increase the susceptibility for a bacteria to then get in.
Shutak says doctors are still trying to figure out why these viruses are hanging around so long. They believe it could be some lingering effects from the pandemic, with kids having less exposure to other kids these past few years, and many kids are still behind on their routine vaccinations. Shutak is hoping the numbers will go down once the kids get out of school for summer vacation.
However, the pandemic really did adjust the seasonality for all of the viruses and all of the infections, so it could be that we're still adjusting to that.
And there's a lot of great information and tips that I was not able to include in this story, so we posted it in the web version of this story on our website at KARE11.com. Check it out if you have a kid or someone in your life who has an ear infection and you're looking for some more information. A lot of great tips out there. Gordon Severson, KARE 11 News.